Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can copy your YouTube channel link, how you can copy your YouTube channel URL. It's actually a simple process, so make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to tap on your YouTube app to open it. So guys, before we go ahead, there are actually two ways that you can actually copy your YouTube channel link. I will show you guys the first method and also the second method. I will also show you guys how you can actually share your YouTube channel URL or link to various social media platforms. So guys, follow me to the end. Once you're on your YouTube app now, the next step that you have to take is to tap on YouTube profile icon. You can see it there at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here the next step that you have to take now is to tap on where it is written your channel. That's the first option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on the edit icon. You can see that pen icon. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is where you can actually copy your channel URL. You can see the third option where it is written channel URL. What you have to do is to tap on it. Once you tap on it, your YouTube channel URL will be copied. So guys, immediately you tap on it now, your YouTube channel link will be copied. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see the notification below. You can see it is already copied. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, this is the first method I can actually use to copy your YouTube channel link. Let me show you guys the second method. What you have to do is to go back. Let me tap back. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on share, which is the first option. Let me tap on it. So guys, look down below. You're going to see where it is written copy link. You can see the icon there. What you have to do is to tap on it. Immediately you tap on it, you've copied your YouTube channel link. So let me tap on it. You can see copied. You can see the notification down there. It's already copied. So guys, you actually want to share your YouTube channel link directly for YouTube. What you have to do is to go through the second process that I showed you just now. Let me tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner again. Then you tap on share, which is the first option. So guys, as you can see, we can share this our YouTube channel link to various social media platforms. As you can see, we can share on WhatsApp, we can share on Facebook, we can share on Instagram. If you actually want to see more options to where you can share this your YouTube link, all you have to do is to tap on more. You can see the arrow pointing at the more icon. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see they've given us more options. You can see so many options. You can actually share to your TikTok account, to your Threads account, to your CapCut account, to your Phonomobile, to whatever platform they want to send it to. So let me tap on WhatsApp. Let me share it on WhatsApp. So guys, as you can see now, I'm on my WhatsApp. So let me search the person I want to send it to. Let me send it to this person. Let me send it to this person. Then let me tap on send. Then let me tap on send. So guys, you can see now I've been able to copy and share my YouTube channel link on WhatsApp. You can do the same for various social media platforms. Let me go ahead also to paste that YouTube channel link I copied. Let me paste it here. Paste. Then let me tap on send. So guys, you can see it's the same process whether you're copying it directly or you're sharing it directly. Whichever way will work out. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe if you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.